Hi Jonas. Tell me a little bit more about the business that you are the CEO of.
It's what we're trying to create is a company that makes product creation easier, then powered by the new transformational digital tools, sometimes referred to as product lifecycle management, but it's really a broad set, even a platform supplied by Dassault Systems. So our bet is to then be the number one knowledge company for that platform globally. So that is really our journey.
Very good. So today we're at the UK Intelligent Engineering Forum 2018.
Yes. Yeah.
What are some of the key things you've taken away from today in terms of trends you're picking up, in terms of, we're talking about digital transformation here and the journey, so what are some of the key trends that you're seeing?
Clearly what we see is the next generation of tools for the engineers to maybe then increase productivity with a factor of 10. So what earlier was maybe required to be a PhD and to have long training on the tool, you actually could do now much more intuitively and simple. So that's really a major thing for the design activities. Then if you look into the more kind of enterprise-wide processes like handling the full product definition, including the bill of materials, all documentation. I think what we see there is really the opportunity to have a system covering the processes from ideation all the way to recycling and scrapping the product. So we see that responsibility for manufacturers in relation to the products are increasing, and there is a lot of new legislations, and so really the opportunity here is to have then the platform supporting you on this full journey. But then we don't recommend people to take all the parts of the platform at once, but you should take it stepwise. But I think the big shift now is the platform is mature enough, the 3D experience platform, to take on pretty much end-to-end product lifecycle. And that was not the case 5 years back. So.
I've heard lots of different technologies mentioned today, from the Internet of Things to big data to artificial intelligence, virtual reality, augmented reality. What are some of the key technologies that you're seeing that will transform the engineering world?
I think what you pointed on, the AI, machine learning, obviously to have then capabilities that would guide the engineer and automate certain tasks for an engineer when you're designing. And then if you look at the IoT thing, it's very much about then enabling new business models, like kind of pay per use or new models where you actually consume things as a service instead of buying the machinery. So then I think IoT is a vital thing there for the OEMs to have control over what are they selling, how are they selling it, and how are they able to control that new business model.
Very good, yeah. So what sort of customers do you work with in the engineering space, and do you have any good examples of
sure.
how you help them to transform?
Yeah, we have Edwards is long-time clients with us here, obviously doing vacuum devices and vacuum technology. Another one's in the Thomson Aerospace. So really impressive company that's been growing extremely quick based upon their capability then to create seatings for aircrafts. So then we do a lot of work with automotive, and also the former sister company of Intrinsys, Integral Powertrain. Obviously they are on the quest to be the world leader in low series electrical motors. So they also use the platform, and they work very closely together with us.
Very good. So do you have any last tips that you would give anyone who wants to embark on this digital transformation journey?
start experimenting. I think this is the key thing to.
Yeah, I agree.
Not maybe listening too much to the salespeople, but actually do small proof of concept, try it out, try it on the cloud, and see what is that. Trying one discipline and see what is the value it could generate for your company.
Very
and
good.
Try to keep maybe the projects quite small in size and time. Try to divide it into a multi-year roadmap for the entire scope. That's my.
Very good. I've spoken to lots of very happy customers of yours today. So
that's good to hear.
What value do you think you are adding? Why would anyone choose your company?
I would say it's very much about being this partner that is kind of leading them through this digital transformation and helping them with good advice and also to be there with the right knowledge. So giving honest advice, long-term advice. So I think creating this a true partnership, that's what we're aiming for.
Very good. In terms of your future predictions for the industry, for engineering and manufacturing, what do you see as some of the key things that people need to be aware of in the future?
I would say this introduction of more automation in these tool sets, and then probably powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning. Then I would also see the ability to work outside your own company. So even more, massive collaboration and having people then teaming up for projects but based upon the platform then to achieve great things together. So I think then you might not have all skills in the company, but you will source skills through the platform to be able to create the full set of capabilities needed.
I agree. Fascinating.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Bernard.
Thank you.